Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I have another daily work from home job lead for you. Now, this one is in customer service. So, this is for those of you who actually want customer service or are getting tired of the non phone work from home job leads. I am trying to bring a little bit of something for everyone. So, if this job lead or any of my job leads are not for you, please always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, along with any education and experience that you have. I do always read those and try to keep that in the back of my mind when I'm searching for job leads to share. If I ever come across anything that I know someone has said that they are looking for, I will share it. But today's job lead is from the website legacy.com. They are hiring a support and solutions specialist. Now, this starts out as a temporary position, but is working to a permanent full-time position. It will have the opportunity to go permanent. But if you don't know, legacy.com is the place where stories live on. They have online memorial tributes to the top 50 websites in the United States. A lot of times you can find obituaries and other things on that website as well. People post memorial walls, comments, all of those kind of things. And they are looking for a support specialist to work collaboratively in a close and supportive environment that is receptive to new ideas. Now, one thing to quickly note, while they are hiring in the United States, they are looking for someone who is open to working a Tuesday through Saturday or a Sunday through Thursday weekly schedule, and somewhere during the hours of 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. So you might have to work a little bit later than that 5 p.m. cutoff, and you will have to work on weekends. But if you're okay with that, starting pay is $20 an hour. But they are looking for someone to just do basic customer service, quickly assess the customer and client needs, and offer solutions. You'll communicate with customers through a variety of different channels, such as email, chat, and phone, to help resolve their issues and provide explanations of the different website features and how to use them. You'll explain products and services in a kind and respectful manner. You'll demonstrate knowledge of the company product lines, services, and policies. And of course, you'll help troubleshoot and follow through with any technical issues related to the website and across all legacy.com product lines. Now, they do not require any kind of a college degree. They are looking for someone who has a 3 years experience in some kind of customer service field, someone who can work a schedule that regularly includes those evenings and weekends, like we mentioned. Because you will be on the phone with customers, you need a quiet, noise-free space in your home to be able to work. Of course, you have to have high-speed internet service. They are looking for someone who can be empathetic and service-oriented mindset, someone who has great communication skills, great problem solving, time management skills, and someone who can multitask. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you found anything that I share helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That gives me direct feedback that it is being helpful, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.